Alicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have a few dies from Spellbinders that I'd like to share with you. I purchased them from scrapbook.com and from, I think that's it. So let's get started. So the first one is this little sweet cutting die set, and it's called Folk Song. It's a really cute little, kind of looks like maybe what a partridge would look like. I am not sure. I just said that. And it has 6 cutting dies, and I did cut out a sample, which is super cute, and it was really fun to put it together to figure out what colors I wanted to use. I didn't put the headdress on here. As you can see here, the bird has a little headdress, and then I could put some leaves in his mouth. So really pretty. I did try to inset the opposite color, in here, but that was just way too hard for me when I did this. I may try again, but I think it turned out really cute, and I can't wait to use different colors, maybe red and white for Christmas. I can't wait. So that's the Folk Song. Now what I'm super excited about is this next die set, and this is called the Tier Tray. It's by Spellbinders. I was watching Yana's channel here on YouTube, and it's really hard to pronounce her last name, but if you know Spellbinders dies, she loves to show you what she's created with those. So it's the Tier Tray. It is 5 cutting dies, so it cuts out the tray, and it has the little things, the risers for the tray and everything. But what's so neat, you can also purchase the Tier Tray Decor. So this is 19 cutting dies. Super cute. So you have a gnome, a house, books, and a branch. You can put leaves on, a flower. Then you have like a cutting board or charcuterie board. Is that how you say it? And a cup, and then a mug, and then a planter, and then plant. It's so cute. The dies are super easy to cut out. I really love this set. And then also they have a coordinating sentiment set. It has 16 stamps here. Some of them say, may the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart. And then we have live, laugh, and love. Oh, hello. And then home is the heart's nesting place. Happy birthday. Thank you. Enjoy the little things. When I'm with you, I'm home. You make me feel right at home. So, and a few more. So that was the stamp set. Now I do have a card that I made. I love this set, guys. And here's the card that I made. I chose pink and green to because I'm gonna send this to a specific person, and I just so enjoyed putting this together. I can't wait to do more. It has a little slit in it in the tiers, so you can put the items in like they're actually sitting in a tier tray. But how super sweet is this? So if you like tier trays, which I do, you may want to check this out. This is a really sweet die set, and this is Spellbinders tier tray decor, and tier tray sentiments. And then also don't forget about the Folk Song cutting die by Spellbinders. Let me know what you think of this die set, both of them, below. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.